This video will teach you how to make a 3D paper snowflake out of 6 pieces of paper. So in your kit, these are already cut and folded for you, but I'm going to go ahead and just show you how to do it yourself. So you start with a piece of regular printer paper, and notice how I folded it up into a triangle, matching my corners, and then when I cut it off, I get a perfect square. I'm going to take that square, put it back into my triangle, and fold it one more time so I have an even smaller triangle there. Notice how one side is open and one side is closed and folded. Now with your scissors, you're going to make a few cuts, kind of following along the outside edge of your triangle. And I kind of like to do one in the middle, one towards the bottom, and one near the top. But actually, you can do as many of these as you like. Just remember, for every cut you make, that's one more section you're going to have to glue. So make sure you don't go all the way to the edge so it doesn't fall apart. Now when you open it, you get a larger triangle. One more time. There's your square. All right, let's start gluing. Now you're going to take one of your triangles out of your pile and gently open it. If you open it too fast, it's really easy to accidentally tear it. So just kind of pull it apart, press it flat. There you go. Now you're going to be gluing the inside section first. Notice how I'm putting the glue on the outside, kind of the bottom side really. I'm going to use my fingers to kind of wrap it around. So it takes the flat piece of paper and it makes it round and three-dimensional. And I'm going to press and hold for 10 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and count to 10. And when I let go, it should hold. Now see how I turn it over? Each time I glue a new section, I'm going to flip back and forth, putting a little bit of the glue on the outside. And notice I'm using my glue stick for this step. Bring the other piece around. Keep it very round. Again, you're going to pinch and count to 10. And it should hold pretty well, as long as you pinched it. Now I'm going to turn it back over again. So back and forth, and I'm slowly going to turn this flat piece of paper into a three-dimensional piece of my snowflake. There again, pinch, hold, count. All right, last one. One more time. Glue on the outside. Bring the other piece around. Pinch, count, and hold. All right, now you're going to repeat this for all the pieces in your kit. You need at least 6, but you can use 7. You can use more. It starts to get really full past that, but you have an extra one in your kit just in case something tears. All right, let's put these together. Now I'm going to just do 3 at a time. And I'm going to use my glue dots to attach both the bottom tips and the sides of each piece. So glue dots can be a little fussy. Just peel the film gently off, place it right there at the tip. And then sometimes it sticks a little, it's just, tug it till it comes off. And I'm going to go ahead and put one at the corner too, so I can do kind of both at once. So there at the edge. Pull that film off. Okay. Now attach both the bottom and that kind of corner part. You can see how they're going to start to come together. Press firmly so they stick together. You can give it a little tug. Really make sure that you've pressed firmly. Now I'm going to do the same thing for this third section. I'm going to do a glue dot at the tip, glue dot at the side, and I'm going to press them together again. One last glue dot here. All right, now I'm going to attach this third piece. There you go. Now you're going to repeat this again with the other 3 pieces, so you have 2 sections. All right, now we're going to attach the 2. See how they fit together? You're going to put one glue dot in the middle and then one each on each side. Press it firmly. Repeat the same thing on the left and on the right. And you're going to kind of just feel it start to come together into one solid snowflake. Last one. And there we go. There's your beautiful 3D snowflake, and you can hang it and enjoy it for many years.